In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to scan documents on the HP SmartTank 210 to 220 printer series. Now these printers are only single function. However, using the HP app, you'll be able to use the camera scan. So let's start up HP app. If you're new to the channel, we do a lot of tech reviews as well as how-to videos. So please give us a like and subscribe. Tap on the printer icon. Tap on camera scan. Now these are two pages that we want to scan. We will scan page 1 first. You can adjust the boundaries. Go to next. You can do an edit to crop. Now page 1 is scan. Let's scan page 2. We'll add a page. Go to next. Page 2 looks okay. Let's save. You can either save as an image or basic PDF, and you can even choose your own file name. Let's save. We will save in this Documents folder. Let's view the file. So this is page 1 and this is page 2. So this is how you scan a document on the HP SmartTank 210 to 220 printer series by using the HP app.